I don't know where that came from. I honestly don't. Hey guys, welcome to Lichamae Homemade. So in today's video, we are going to be cleaning my kitchen. So I went and brought groceries today, or I picked them up from the grocery store. I am going to clean my refrigerator out because that definitely needs to be cleaned. I need to throw food away. I need to clean it. It's just a disaster. I'm going to sweep, mop. We're going to clean the countertops. It's a light clean, not too much of a deep clean, but the refrigerator definitely is my main priority. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. I hope that you guys enjoy what you see and keep watching. These watermelons went bad, so that's gone. We're throwing away a lot of stuff. This is some rice, strawberries. I'm just probably gonna take everything out first. These kiwis. So right now, we're just clearing everything out of the refrigerator so we can work with a clean slate. Then we'll take these cabinets out, take them over to the sink, clean them, dry them off, and put them back. So this is a lot of the things that all the food that I've taken out of the refrigerator and put it on top of the island just to clear everything out. Because you want to have a clean slate when you are cleaning. So this is the refrigerator cleared out. I took the cabinets out. They're not dirty, they just need to be reorganized with the bottles and stuff like that in there. But I wanted to show you guys how disgusting this refrigerator got. That's where I put my fruits. This is where I keep my vegetables. You can see the flakes of the red onions in there. And this is kind of where, this is like a catch-all drawer. And this is what's gotten nasty. I don't know where where that came from. I honestly don't know, but I'm going to clean it, so very clean. And the freezer. I just really need to organize in here more than anything. So I have frozen spinach, frozen kale. I keep the wraps, like tortilla wraps, frozen. I have smoked turkey. I have stuff in here that I don't even remember that I had. So it is very beneficial to be and stay organized, because then a lot of things get frostbitten and then it doesn't taste right when you try to defrost and cook and eat. So yeah, that is this is me. I am embarrassed a little bit, but I mean, it is what it is. Life happens and I get busy and I'm doing it now. So here we go. How often do you clean your refrigerator? Do you have a set time, frequency that you clean your refrigerator, or do you do it as needed like me? Or when you just can't take it looking like this anymore? So yeah, I am very much an as needed cleaner. So it never fails that when I am about to clean my refrigerator that I have dirty dishes in the sink. So we're gonna close that refrigerator so it can stop beeping. Yeah, so I have dirty dishes in the sink, and I need to be cooking. But once I finish this, I'm gonna cook. Shelf 1, shelf 2, shelf 3. Dreading this, and it didn't take anything to clean it. It did not take any time. You just have to set the time apart. You just have to set the time out. Okay, let's see how we look now. Ooh, nice and neat. So, there we go. here is the freezer. Way more organized than what it was. I think I'm gonna make some pies. I got pie crust. I need to make me some pies. And here's the top. Not as organized, but at least it's kind of gathered together. So that's how the freezer looks right now.